Hello lovelies, I have something very exciting today. Let me just get it. Here we go. I've had my mystery bag from IntoResin, and a few of us decided on our Discord group that we are going to do a group unboxing. Now we're each going to do our unboxings separate, and at the end we're going to do a make out of something that comes out of this IntoResin mystery bag. So this is my contribution. I'm very excited. So I will find my scissors and be back. Now I am in my little work area. As you can see, I am having problems with this work area, trying to get the tripod to sit in a place where the stand isn't showing as much, and I'm failing. Is actually on a bit of a tilt. The back leg is off of the desk, so this is where accidents happen. And also my wonderful cat Gomez is in the room with me because I am not doing any resin at the moment. So should we get on with it? Let's go. I'm going to be very careful about how I didn't need scissors for that bit, did I? And I've still got the tint on my finger from my brows. Excited. There we go. Right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moulds in there by the looks of it. So I'm going to get this packaging out of the way. I'm going to take my invoice out as well. Okay. Yeah, 5-piece handmade surprise moulds. Oh, they're not separate in here. No, do I want to look at that? Do you know what I'm getting? No, that is just the care. Put that over that way. That is just the care guide. Sorry, so sorry for the rustling. That is going to be unavoidable, I think, but I'll be as quiet as possible. Ready? Ooh. I don't even know what that is. I'm not sure, you know. Oh, I can see a bit better now. So we've got some crystal bows, like a crystal bunny head, strawberry, mouse, heart. I mean, this is a stunning mould. Not really my kind of thing. It's all a bit too girly for me, if that makes sense. But I'm going to use it regardless, because that is, you can see the sparkle in there. That's beautiful. So I'm going to put that over there upside down for now. Not a strong start, but that's nothing to do with the mould. It's my preference. And when you're ordering something like this, you don't know what you're getting, do you? So that is down to personal preference. Still want to make use of it. I think you all know I will. Next. Okay. This is better. This is better. A cactus mould. And look at the crystal in there. Wow. That is stunning. Okay, this makes me feel so much better already. That is beautiful. Next. I'm actually surprised the cat hasn't made an appearance already. Oh. Okay, let's take this off so you can see properly. I have some cheap versions of these types of moulds, so it's going to be really good to actually have one that shines and sparkles like this one does. That's going to be lovely. I'll have to trim that. There we go. Take that bit of extra off. Oh, that's very pretty. Let's move on, or this is going to be a super long video. So yes, I will be choosing one of these moulds from this pack to do something with in this video. I don't know what that is. I still don't know what that is. I'm just going to take it out of view for a minute so I can look at it. They look like golf balls. Surely they can't be golf balls. Crystal ones. No, I've looked at this wrong. I think they are just like crystal balls. I'll have a proper look at that in a little while. Now, so far, I know exactly which one I am going to be doing for this make. But it all hangs on this one. Right, last one. Wow, what is that? I can't even see what it is because I'm too busy looking at the shine. Wow. Okay, so this is, it's got a bow, crystal bow up the top. I'm trying my best not to touch the crystal part with my fingers. Wow, that's a beauty, isn't it? Yeah, I'm not quite sure what I would use this for. Like, I think that I am just going to have to pour this one and see what it comes out like, so that I've got an idea of what kind of thing it is. But I'm also going to ask a few of my fellow artists if they know what this is. I might also look on the website, because there would usually be a finished version on their website, so I'll have a look. But I'm getting distracted by that sparkle. I am going to go and get these beauties put away properly, and then let's go make something. Here we have the moulds ready. Not quite sure which one I'm going to be pouring. It might turn out that I just pour them all. I don't know. I probably will pour them all, but I'll just do one for this video. Does that make sense? I'm going to be using the J-Diction Fast Cure 4 hours demold and fully cured in 8 to 10 hours. I have never used a J-Diction resin before, apart from the UV resin, and I'm quite excited actually, and I thought it will get it done a bit quicker than normal. Super. So yes, that's what I'm going to be using. I'm quite excited to see how this is. So let's put that to one side. I've got the Create and Bloom Elixir Paste, the Create and Bloom Spider Silk, which is a pearl resin pigment. It will need a good stir. And this one will also need a good stir. And I've also got the Nebula Ethereal pigment from Tiny Turner, which is available on tompishcrafts.com. I'm probably definitely, I don't know. I want to put that in a very, very small amount. It's my most favourite powder. But it gives the resin such this lovely effect. So I'll probably put a little bit of that in. And it will be one or the other, I reckon. We'll see. We shall see. I'm going to make sure my moulds are clean. I've got my tape somewhere. Here it is. My tape. Make sure they're clean. I've got my mixer to the right, my debubbler to the right, all resinous ones. And I will not be using my resinous curing machine today because it's a 4-hour demold. And I've got my air purifiers here as well, which I will turn on once I open the resin. I will put some music on for you because I will have my respirator on and my air purifiers, and I've got a fan on, and I've got both windows open, and there will be a lot of traffic noises. So I will put some music on for you. Enjoy!
Swirling colors in the light they play, dreams and resin shaping every day. Like a canvas glowing bright and clear, pour it out, the magic starts right here. Every light a sparkle, every comment a flame, fuel my heart and keep me in the game. Patience grows while the resin sets, a joyful art with no regrets. Like comment and subscribe, every drop of color feels brand new. Learning as I go, sharing what I've found in this resin world where wonders abound. Mixing shades like stories untold, endless ways for treasures to unfold. With steady hands and a hopeful heart, every pore's a masterpiece, a brand new spark. Resin whispers in its prime. The clock may tick, the day may fade, but the beauty grows in the art I've made. Like comment and subscribe to the view. Every drop of color feels brand new. Learning as I go, sharing what I found in this resin world where wonders abound. Mixing shades like stories untold, endless ways for treasures to unfold. With steady hands and a hopeful heart, every pore's a masterpiece, a brand new spark. Wonders abound. Mixing shades like stories untold.
It's time for demould now. Nice and quick, wasn't it? So this is what they're looking like. Now I've noticed they've got, I'm just going to hold it up to the light, over on the side. Now I noticed a bubble in one of them and now I can't, right. So like the sort of Mickey Mouse head one, it's got one smack in the middle. The strawberry has got some in the detail there. But, oh well. Lots of little bubbles as well. You can see that very well. There's some opal and there's a bubble just there as well. And they're cute, aren't they? It's actually worse if I put my glove over it, isn't it? Let me see if I can find something dark to put underneath. She says I should be back. Yeah, let's try again, shall we? I just got some dark blue card. Yeah, that one needs trimming a bit. You see them better now. Okay. The other heart. Flower. That's cute. That's very cute. The bigger flower. The bow. What else have we got? We've got a hair. That'll be. I've just got out of the shower, so my hair tends to go everywhere. I'm ever so sorry. Little strawberry. Even with the bubbles, that's quite cute. Different bow. I think that's the same size, isn't it? That's weird. It's not straight. This one is. That one isn't. And we've got the bigger Mickey Mouse. Rabbit. It's a rabbit head, isn't it? Yeah. My bad. And we've got a teeny tiny one there. That's Mickey Mouse style. I think that's all of them. Just double checking. It is. That is all of them. Let me bring them up for you. How cute are they? Not sure what I'd use them for. Sure I could find something. It's a very good quality mould though, as always. But yeah. Let me know what you think. If you would, after watching this collaboration, if you would go and purchase a mystery bag from IntoResin. I would be very interested to know. I have poured the other ones that I got from the mystery bag. So if you would like to see that, quite happy to do a short maybe, or just post a picture up of the other ones, but I just wanted to do one for this collaboration. So thank you to everyone that's taken part, to everyone that's watching. You will find a link for a playlist in my description box, and our Discord group, Goblin's Cave, decided that quite a few of us had ordered this, so we wanted to do a little mini collaboration, and that is what we've done. So please do go and check out everybody else, so that we can, you know, have a real good look at what everybody else has got, what everybody else has done with the moulds, or the mould of their choice. And I shall see you for the next one. Please don't forget to like and comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Bye bye.
Resin in the mixer looking fine. Crystal shining bright just like a sign. Experimenting new things on the fly. My YouTube debut's reaching for the sky. Got the camera rolling, lights in place. Steady hands but hearts gone